This is the Duratech 12-volt pruning saw. It measures about 5 inches here, and it doesn't oil itself. You have to put the oil in it. It comes with an empty bottle. You got to get your own chainsaw oil, and in the instructions it says to pour it right along here. Like that. It doesn't say how often you're supposed to do it though. Put some along here, oil this little wheel here. It has a charger and two 12-volt batteries and an extra chain. And the 12-volt batteries go in the bottom. Like that. And it has a little stop right there. You have to push it. You can't pull the trigger. It goes out on both sides. It goes over here, over there. And you kind of push it with your thumb and let it go. Well, it seems to cut pretty good. It has that much battery left. I can squeeze little things on both sides to get the battery out, supposedly, like that. And you unscrew this little thing here. And that comes off. It has an eccentric inside there. You turn the outside ring and it makes an eccentric move, and that goes in that little hole and pushes the blade out and makes it get tighter or looser by turning that eccentric there. A little bit of sawdust in there, and not too stuffed it up. See, I'm putting it in the groove. So this little thing screws into that right there. There's a thread here, like a bolt. So you have to get that little peg right there in that hole right there. So there's a little arrow right there that says tighten. So you turn that until the chain gets tight. And then you screw it down. And it should be okay, I hope. So let's see if it still runs. Still runs. It seemed to work pretty good. And it comes in its own case. It's a canvas case, but it works. Has an extra chain, a charger, 2 batteries, a little bottle that has the oil in it, instruction books that don't say a whole lot, but they got lots of pictures. And it zips up in its own case.